All right, so this is the Q3 IM2 study guide, and the directions on the previous pages says like 65 through 72, and we're looking for the surface area. So in this question, we're looking for surface area. Well, this is a cylinder, and so we have two versions of a formula for surface area. We could do the sides, which would be 2 pi r times height plus the top and bottom, which is just circles, so 2 pi r squared. Or the one I like to use is where we factor out the 2 pi r in each of these. We put the 2 pi r up here, and then we do h plus r. It's really the same formula. It's just two different versions. And let's go through and figure out what we have here. Well, they don't actually give us the radius, but they do give us this diameter here of 13.8. So the radius would have to be exactly half of 13.8. And so 13.8 divided by 2 is exactly 6.9. All right, so now we have all the pieces that we need. We're just going to plug this into R and go from there. So the surface area would have to equal 2 times pi times 6.9. Let's put that in parentheses. Times the height, which is 12.4, plus the radius, which is 6.9. All right, we literally just plug this all into our calculator, and we get 800. Oh, let's go back to black. 836. I'm just going to do 2 decimal places, 0.73. All my units are centimeters, so my surface area must be centimeters squared. And that's it.